Trying to show you what I was saying about earlier. Shit light in here. Right in between there, the pin that locks everything. And the way the seat was, had to be bolted to that, but I couldn't get the bolts in there until, if that wasn't there, if that was there and all locked up, then I couldn't get the bolts in there. It's just one of the ideas I had that I spent loads of time on, and it never worked out, like a lot of things. So we'll see if we can turn this into a pickup truck. Got another helper now. Mince pie. Gus. Alright, now come up with this idea. I've only done one side at the moment. I'll finish that side off and get it to how I want, and then work on the other side. I'm thinking on the other side probably have to come off, or maybe this will have to split in two somehow. We'll see how we get on. Right, we're getting somewhere. That's just resting on the front bumper at the moment, and the rear back, but it's near enough how it's on the sides is on the B anyway. Like I say, I thought I was going to do a pickup, but how I'd marked it out, like most things, it didn't come out how I planned. So that may not stay there, that may have to come out, because remember the batteries are under there. So, but side on view, see if it moves, and pull that because that's not fixed. Oh, like that, it's not fixed. See? That's 18 inches wide at the front, 21 inches wide at the back. And I'm sure the axle's on the piss in there, but there's U-bolts holding it in, and the U-bolts are screwed through the frame, so there's not a lot of moving it, and I ain't fucking about taking it all, shouldn't have sworn, taking it all to bits again. She's 3 years old, you know, she ain't gonna worry about a bit of tracking it, pulling to the left or right. So I'll put a strengthener under that bit as well. But it's getting there. And obviously, should have a little bench seat sat on here. They're just in there to hold it in. It's not all fixed together, but it's where it should be. To put lights and stuff in it for her, and I've got loads of little 12-volt lights, so I thought I've got a few batteries dotted around. I might put just put lights on their own little circuit off a 12-volt battery. I don't think I'll put a horn on it. If I do, it'll be a really, really quiet one. Slap a bit of paint on it, look alright, won't it?